Hey Matt, I got my lever, but I don't have an actual fulcrum point. What can we do?
You can create one using your cribbage. All you have to do is take this, take a nail and nail it down. But we have a screw.
A screw? Well, we don't have a screw gun, so that's not going to help us. We do have our bad day maker with the screw. I mean, you might be able to get it in there. So, as long as you got your little sledge, as my friend's father used to say, if you got a big enough hammer, anything will fit. So again, there we go. We got a nice little fulcrum point, which isn't going to slide around on us, even though we use screws and we didn't have a screw gun. Get yourself the bad day maker.